How to add DNS records in Spaceship domain. First, sign into your account, then click on all products at the top, and from the left you want to select domains. Once you have clicked on domains, then on the right you will be able to find the domain manager. Select domain manager. Now once we have done this, find the domain which you want to add DNS records for, left click on it, and then here on the right you want to click on name servers and DNS. Once selected, you will click on manage DNS settings, advanced DNS. This is going to take us to this page. Adding or editing DNS records may prevent your domain from working as expected. So I'm going to select don't worry again, and got it. Now if we want to add a record, DNS record, here you can just choose the type of record which you want to add. Then you will type either @ or www, and then right here we will need to paste the value. So once you paste the value, then you will simply click on add, and that is how you add DNS records in Spaceship domain. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I will see you next time.